Take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it, I said don't think about it. She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face.
Hi guys, so Vacant Productions is back with the Bombay Explorers episode 2, finally after 1.5 years. And today with me is Sameer, Harsh, भूषण, गौरव एंड प्रियांशु। और आज सैटरडे है और टाइम हो रहा है 9:30 रात को और आज हम जा रहे हैं कलसुबाई पीक। सो फिलहाल हम जा रहे हैं दादर स्टेशन और वहाँ से हम जाने वाले हैं चित्रा सिनेमा और वहाँ से हम एक प्राइवेट बस से कलसुबाई पीक तक जाने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू द व्लॉग आफ्टर दैट।
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you. Someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. Without trying, without trying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be.
Hi guys, so अभी हम आ चुके हैं कलसुबाई. As you guys can see the view. So we just had our breakfast, which was poha and some tea, and now we're really pumped to start the trek. ठंडा है ब्रो। As you guys can see, the way is pretty slippery and look at the condition of this shoes. People are still struggling to walk. So we four have arrived, but we're still waiting for two of our friends, which are lagging behind, Bhushan and Priyanshu. I'm not sure where they are, but they're on their way, so we kind of decided to wait for them. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but those white dots are people walking, climbing up the stairs. It's pretty sick.
Been there before, when a love shuts the door, it's a losing game.
So guys, as you know, the peak is at a height of 5,400 feet, and according to Snapchat, we are at 3,400 feet. So that's 2,000 feet more to go.
It's a losing game, but this time it's more than another love war. This ain't the same. This ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. In time, in time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. It feels so right, it feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying, there's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if
as we're going higher and higher, the view is getting better. And we're damn excited to reach on the top. Guys, if you want to see what heaven on earth looks like, this is what it is. So finally, after 4.5 hours of trekking, we're finally here at the highest peak of Maharashtra, the Kalsubai Peak, which is at a height of 5,400 feet. It's absolutely amazing. guys, so while editing the vlog, we got to know that we haven't shot any outro, neither did we shoot ourselves coming down. But it took us 4.5 hours to get down to the village, and it was a pretty difficult trek because none of us had any sort of experience of trekking.
Make sure you're carrying a lot of water and you have proper shoes, otherwise you'll keep slipping. We went along with a group named Vacant. The link is in the description.
So I hope you liked the second episode of the Bombay Explorers. I know it had been really long since the last time we posted any sort of a video. And make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more such amazing vlogs and videos. Bye.